introduction. It's Tom, your Vampire King, doodly face Vampire King. And today we're going to be doing a little quick video on how do I do these filters. Because I'm having so much fun with them. I've had people ask, what program it is, that kind of thing. It works so well, like even in bad lighting, really bright lighting. I mean, it works amazing. So it's a program called Snap Camera. It's actually from the company Snapchat. So it's, they have their filters, but they created a desktop program that you can just download. It's absolutely free, and obviously put that in the description below, so you can download that if you want. You can also do green screen backgrounds. It kind of works. I'll show you. I don't have my green screen up, so you can see how that's going to look. But yeah, let's take a look at the program. So it's super simple. It gives you a display right here. And when you download this program, by default, any type of other program you try to use, it's going to look for this playing right here. You can always change that. Let's take a look at some settings. You can always change what camera you're using, resolution, microphone, that kind of thing. If you don't, just on the program, Teams, OBS, whatever, in there, just go in there and change that. You just want to go with the camera versus accessing this program. Yeah. As you see, I got this. I can actually click on my face right here and change what I look like. Hey, happy Tom. There's a few. Yeah. But yeah, you kind of just, there's so many here. You can scroll through. If you want to look for kind of a category, there are categories here. They usually have the season, so autumn, funny, cute, makeup, work and study from home. There's a lot of good ones. And they're pretty good. Look how fast that was, and look how accurate, detailed that looks. The cat's leg is going through my head, but whatever. We can do calculate. Or as my daughter calls this, the Matrix. Not quite, but I get it. You can also, if you find some, you don't want to constantly have to find the one you like. You can do, you can star it. So if I like this one, there's a little star icon I can do there. There's some options, copy the link, download, snap code. Yeah. But you can favorite, and then your favorites are just up here in the corner. And you can just click on one and now let the text go. You see how accurate it is? It even gives you some movement, and there's you're moving, gives you that flexibility. So yeah, it even watches your mouth to talk. So if I'm using something like this, it's gonna see me talking. This one definitely you can see. It's also detecting my lips, so it's not just watching for just your face in general. It's actually breaking your face down into the different parts. But yeah, I just kind of wanted to throw that out there as a fun little thing to do. Like I said, it's a free download. So the last thing I want to try is, let's take a look at the backgrounds. So there's not a lot of backgrounds. That's fine. These ones are pretty cool. There's a luxury suite. So maybe I want to trick my coworkers on the Zoom call thinking I'm super rich. So like I said, it works, but it's picking up my chair. If I get close, it's basically trying to do it in 2 layers. It's looking for my actual background and replacing it. But because my chair is so close with me, it doesn't consider that really the background as well. So yeah, and it's even not doing that great. But if you throw up a green screen, it actually works very, very well. But if you don't have green screen, there's not much you can do about that. You can go on Amazon. Yeah, if you go here, there's a few things you can also do just to show you. There's hotkeys. So if you want to turn off the lens, I can enter a hotkey. Let's make it. Why can't I do anything? Enter. That's weird. For some reason, it's not letting me do it. You should just be able to click on this and then press like F1 or whatever. For some reason, it's not doing that, and just push save. I'm not sure why that's not working right now. If you guys have issues and find out what's wrong, let me know in the comments below, because I would love to know why that's not working. But here's the thing, optimized for green screen. If I turn that off, I can go back. See, it's still not as good. It's basically the exact same thing. I think it's slightly worse. But yeah, if you are going to be using a green screen with a background, just make sure you go into here and say optimize for green screen. Yeah. Check for updates, all the new. So create a lens, you can go to, you click this, it'll take you to a website where you can download their software, which is called, I guess, Creativity Snap AR. So you can download it, and then you can, create your own if you want. I will do a video on how to create them if you guys are interested in that. Just in case you guys do want to see that, I'd be happy to show you that, I guess. Trying to think if there's anything else I want to say. So right here, let's get back to something good here. There was an autumn one. So there are these really cool cartoon ones. I'm not going to click on this because they just take, because they're actually, instead of overlaying on your face, they're actually, it's running like a whole bunch of stuff, I'm sure, in the background, where it's transforming you into like almost like a Disney looking character. But it just, I have a gaming rig, and I'll try this, and my computer just like goes at a complete like standstill almost. Like it lags everything, every program, desktop. It just takes too much power. So you can click on it. One time I did that, I had to actually restart my computer because I just had no control. I couldn't even change back to a less power hungry overlay or whatever. So yeah, maybe stay away from those. Just a heads up, a warning. There we go. Looks like I even have some eyeshadow. My eyes change colors. Got a hat. So yeah, you can click on this little thing right here. Tells you what it's called, fall hat. You can favorite here, copy lens link, download snap code, and report. And I believe you can actually take a picture of this. I don't have Snapchat, but from what I can tell, you can actually take a QR scan in Snapchat of this, and it will add this filter to your Snapchat. Let me know if that's correct. Like I said, I don't have Snapchat anymore. I got rid of it like forever ago. So yeah, let me know. Unfortunately, that's the side of the video I can't really tell you much about. Alright, everybody. See you later. Hope you enjoyed this one.